Hi, welcome back to Panel Perfect. I'm Mark. Today we have a Ford Focus RS in. It's actually been tuned by our friends at Lichfield. I believe it's pushing out around about 400 horsepower. So nice car. This chap was unlucky. The bonnet got damaged by a delivery driver. A pallet truck fell on it. Just the handle. Let's see what we can do. He was quoted £2,000 from the main dealer to replace the bonnet and repaint. So thankfully we're significantly less than that. But let's see what we can do, and I'll show you the damage. Okay, so here's the damage. As you can see, fairly decent hit, but hopefully it should be pretty straightforward to repair. This is a steel bonnet. One thing you may not be able to see, this paint has actually got quite a lot of metallic flake in the clear as well, so it's actually like a pearlescent finish. So yeah, it would be quite expensive to paint this, but obviously if we can keep the paint original, that's even better. That's the plan. So I will fix this, and I will report back with the after video and show you what we've done. See you in a bit. Okay, we are back with the Focus bonnet repair, all sorted now. It's come out really nice. No painting, no filler, nothing at all, and it's all original paint. Come out really nice, as we knew it would, but saves replacing the bonnet for sure. And it's all a factory paint, original bonnet. It's come out really nice. So there we go. Okay, so Ford Focus RS has been fixed. If you've got Dents and you're in Gloucestershire, you want to keep all your paint and panels original, give us a call or visit panelperfectpdr.co.uk, and I'll be in touch. Thank you. Take care.